Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. I'm going to show you the easy way to play Fly Me to the Moon so that you can sing along, and it's only going to be in 3 parts. So let's start off with this one. An A minor 7 chord, to a D minor 7 chord, to a G9, then a C major 7, going to a F major 7, a B diminished 7, and an E7 flat 9, 2 more chords, A minor 7, then an A7 chord. So that's the first part. Now let's move on to the second one. I'm going to play a D minor 7 chord again, go to a G9, then a C major 7, A minor 7, back to the D minor 7, the G9 again, C major 7 again, then we're going to do a turnaround, B diminished 7 to an E7 flat 9. So that's the first 2 parts. Let's look at the last one. We're going to start with the D minor 7 again, go to the G9, now just move the left hand to the F and then go down to, whoa, this juicy chord, E minor 7 flat 5, going to an A7 flat 9, all these crazy names for chords, man, to a D minor 7, a G9, and finally finish on that C major 7 chord. So you're probably wondering, how do those parts fit together? Let me show you how you can make the entire song with just those 3 parts. 1, 2. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you.